Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are going to make Hong Kong style barbecue pork with honey. It's called 港式蜜汁叉烧 in Chinese, and it's called Char Siu in Cantonese. The original place of Char Siu is from Guangdong, China. Also, it's very popular in Hong Kong. After 1997, lots of Hong Kong people immigrate to different countries. So they bring this amazing char siu to the whole wide world. It's sweet plus savory and it's super easy to make. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. We need 2 pounds of pork and we choose boneless shorter part. We choose half fat, half lean meat because the result will be the most delicious. And oyster sauce, we need 2 tablespoons. Char siu sauce, 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Crushed ginger, 4 cubes from the Trader Joe's. Or if you prefer chop by yourself, 1 tablespoon. Crushed garlic, also from Trader Joe, 4 cubes. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Shaohsing rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. First, we are going to use the bamboo skewer, about 5 sticks, to punch the pork to make it easier to marinate the inside of the meat. Alright, and put the meat inside the zip bag. And then dump all the sauce and ginger, garlic inside the bag. Close up and make sure the sauce cover with the meat everywhere. And then put it into the refrigerator for 24 hours. Alright, after 24 hours, the char siu meat is ready. Take out the meat on the tray. And then put it in the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Time is 20 minutes. Okay, put the meat inside. We need 20 minutes for each side. So let's cook for the first side and then we'll turn the other side for another 20 minutes. While we're waiting for the char siu, I'm here to show you another bonus sauce for the char siu over the rice. Turn on a heat with a wok. Put in shallot slice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, give it a stir. And add 1 tablespoon of water. And when it's boiled, turn off the heat and the sauce is ready. Okay, filter the shallots out. Just keep the sauce only. So now is the sauce. After 20 minutes, I'm going to turn the other side. And then bake another 20 minutes. Remember to cook some rice to pair with this amazing char siu. Okay, after 20 minutes. Ooh, Wow, looks good. Now I'm going to cut the char siu into pieces. Ooh. Wow, so juicy. Put some rice on the serving bowl. Put some sauce we prepared earlier. And then the vegetable, char siu on top of the rice. Alright, so this is today's Hong Kong style barbecue pork with honey. Char siu is very good to pair with rice. And also you can pair with noodle or make it like the filling inside the bun. It's also very tasty. Make sure to try this super easy recipe. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!